3 and welcome to today's English lesson. In this lesson we're going to be looking at using and understanding Tier 3 vocabulary. However, for you to do well on this lesson you need to have done the lesson that I set you on the 7th of January, the reading activity to do the picture dictionary. If you haven't done that lesson, stop this video now and go and do it. If you have, you can carry on watching. So today we are starting our new writing journey. By the end of next week, we're going to have written a non-chronological report. Non-chronological means not in time order, and it's basically an information text that tells the reader about what the subject is. So this non-chronological report is about New York. And if you read it, it tells you all about New York, lots of facts about it and interesting things. But we will not be doing ours on New York. We're going to do our one on volcanoes, which is why we've been doing some stuff on volcanoes and reading, and we'll be doing lots more over the next week or so. A lot of the vocabulary we're going to look at in today's lesson, we've already looked at in the reading text that we did last week, but here are 3 new words for you. First one, active. This is a volcano. An active volcano is a volcano that has erupted recently and is likely to erupt again. A dormant volcano means a volcano that has erupted in the past 2,000 years, but not recently. So it's called dormant because it's sleeping. So it might erupt again. And finally, extinct volcano. An extinct volcano means it's probably never going to erupt again because it hasn't erupted for over 10,000 years. So we're pretty sure that it's extinct, so it's dead. And the only volcanoes that we have in this country are extinct volcanoes. Okay, let's start by having a little recap of the tricky words from our reading lesson last week. Pause this video and write on a piece of scrap paper, is this picture showing the word jet, the word volcano, or the word car? Well done if you got it correct. This picture is a man being ejected from his car. The verb word is eject. Next one. Is this picture showing the word broken, ash, or magma? And the answer is ash. And this is an ash cloud which comes out of a volcano straight before an explosive eruption. Okay, next one. Is this picture showing molten rock / magma, dragon skin, or the crust of the earth? Which one is it? Write it down on scrap paper and let's see if you're correct. And the answer is molten rock or magma. Well done, and that's inside the volcano. Okay, next one. What is the arrow here pointing to? Is it pointing to ice cream? Is it pointing to lava? Or is it pointing to the mantle of the earth? Write down your answer on scrap paper, press play when you're ready to find out the answer. And the answer is mantle. Well done if you got that correct. So the mantle is underneath the crust. So this dark brown bit is the crust of the earth. This lighter brown bit is the mantle. Some of you got it wrong when you did the reading lesson, but because you said this one was the mantle, but this is the core. Okay, next picture. What is this? Is it the crater of the volcano? Is it lava? Or is it mantle? Write your answer down and press play when you're ready to hear. And the answer is crater. Well done. So that is the top of the volcano that looks like this. The opening where the ash cloud or the lava comes out from. Next. Okay, this is a type of volcanic eruption now. Is it an effusive eruption, a crazy eruption, or an explosive eruption? Write down your answer and press play when you're ready. The answer is effusive eruption. It's the one that trickles out slowly. And what about this one? Is it an effusive eruption, a crazy eruption, or an explosive eruption? Write down your answer. And the answer is an explosive eruption. That's the sort of eruption that goes pow and bursts out, often with an ash cloud, which you can see here. Okay, year 3, so this is your work today. We have a table with 3 columns, one that says word, one that says definition, that means what the word means, and the other one that says word type. So I've given you the definitions of the tier 3 vocabulary, i.e. the meanings of the words, and what you need to do is write the word in here. Let's do the first one together. So it says, rock that has got so hot that it has turned into liquid. So I know that happens in the volcano. And that liquid rock that's in the volcano, oh yes, I remember, it's called molten rock. And then in this column over here, it asked me for the word type. This means either a verb, which is a doing word, or a noun, which is a person, place, or a thing. There are no other types of words in this table, so there are no adverbs or adjectives, for example. So molten rock, I know that it's a thing, so it must be a noun, and I'm going to write noun, noun in the word type column. Okay, so if you're finding this a little bit tricky, feel free to go back to your work that you did last Thursday, which was your picture dictionary on the volcano vocabulary, because it will really help you today. If you need me, of course, send me a little message on Teams. I'll be happy to help, and I hope you have a lovely rest of your day. Bye.